Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your system. Make sure you have Windows 10 or 11 and administrative rights because font installation alters system files. Once ready, download a trustworthy Apple emoji font file in TTF or OTT format. This is the asset that will change how emojis render. Make sure to back up your current fonts folder or create a system restore point so you can revert if something goes wrong. This step protects you and gives you confidence to proceed. Now you install and register the Apple emoji font. Right-click the font file and choose Install for all users because a per-user install may not affect all apps. This requires admin permission. If Windows warns about duplicate font names, rename or replace the existing emoji font carefully to avoid conflicts. Make sure the file name and internal font name match expectations. Once installed, run a font cache refresh or simply reboot, finish by verifying in common apps. Open Chrome, Word, or Slack and type several emoji characters to confirm you see Apple-style emoji. If some apps still show the old glyphs, make sure to clear their cache or fully restart the application because many programs cache font rendering. If rendering fails or causes display issues, restore your font's backup or uninstall the new font and retry the process methodically. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves conflicts without deeper system changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.